give me 100 likes in the previous video. As told, I will show you the trick of the magic game. So let's start. First I'll count this all to check that it is same as the previous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here are 3. So if I keep this in this box, here will be less and this will be the same. So I am keeping this to balance this line also. Now I will do the same thing in the opposite corner. Keep this. So this line has reduced. Now same in this corner. Same in this corner. Now I will do the same in this corner also. I will do here. Our magic is done. There were 3 corners. So if I keep one in horizontal or in vertical, the one on the other side it will reduce. So I was keeping the middle to balance it in the vertical or horizontal to balance it. So that was the magic. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more new and interesting videos.